Surah Maida chapter 5 verse number 32 says that if anyone kills any other human being, unless it be for murder or for spreading corruption in the land, it is as though he has killed the whole of humanity. And if anyone saves any human being, it is as though he has saved the whole nation. Here the Quran says, if any human being kills any other human being, whether Muslim or non-Muslim, any human being kills any other human being, whether Muslim or non-Muslim, unless it be for corruption, for spreading corruption, or for murder, it is as though he has killed the whole of humanity. And if anyone saves any human being, whether Muslim or non-Muslim, it is as though he has saved the whole of humanity. This verse of the Quran alone is sufficient to prove that Islam is against killing of any innocent human being, whether Muslim or non-Muslim. Most of the people think that any war fought by any Muslim for any reason, whether it be personal gain, whether it be for power, whether it be for money, it is called as jihad. Jihad does not mean any war fought by any Muslim for any reason, whether it be for his personal gain, for personal money, for power. Jihad comes from the Arabic word jahada, which means to strive, which means to struggle. In Islamic context, it means to strive and struggle against one's own evil inclination. Jihad also means to strive and struggle to make the society better. Jihad also means to strive and struggle in the battlefield in self-defense. Jihad also means to strive and struggle against oppression. So jihad basically means to strive and struggle. Suicide bombing where innocent human beings are killed is totally prohibited in Islam. Just because someone does injustice to me, it does not justify me to kill other innocent human being. Just because somebody has robbed me, I can't go and rob a third person.